Is Antimalware Service Executable hogging your RAM or CPU in Windows 11? In this video, I will show you the best safe methods to fix high memory usage and speed up your PC without compromising your security. Let's get started. Go to search. In search type Task Scheduler. Right click on Task Scheduler. Click on Run as Administrator. Expand Task Scheduler library. Expand Microsoft. Then expand Windows. Scroll down. Select Windows Defender. Here you will find Windows Defender Scheduled Scan. Right click on it and click on Properties. Here just uncheck Run with highest privileges. Then go to Conditions tab. Then uncheck Start the task only if the computer is on AC power. Click on OK. Close Task Scheduler. Now second step. Insert type Windows Security. Click on Windows Security. In left menu pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Scroll down. You will find the last option, Exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion. Then click on File. Left menu pane, click on This PC. Click on C drive. Click on Program Files. Scroll down. Click on Windows Defender. Scroll down. Select MsMpEng.exe. Then click on Open. The Antimalware Service Executable is excluded from virus and threat protection checking. Close Windows settings. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix high RAM CPU usage by Antimalware Service Executable on Windows 11 computer.